Hi guys, welcome back to Adventures of Nathan and Ethan. Today I'm making snow figures out of food. Things you need are marshmallows, breadstick or pretzel stick, squirrels, raisins,
Here eggs, and this is sour belt rainbow.
Yeah, and we have powdered donuts, and we have a plate too. So I'm gonna start making two snow figures out of donuts and out of marshmallows. So first thing to do is put the skewers in the donuts. So powdered donuts. I'm going to put the skewer in the donuts. So that's the first step to do.
That's not the powdered donut. You can rest it on the plate. Take that piece off. Take your time because you're going to break the donut. Take your time.
Next step is to add the eyes. So I'm going to use one of the raisins to make the eyes. I'm going to use the big raisins to make the eyes. Add the eyes. I have the second eye. Now I'm to make the nose. Then the mouth. So I need 3 raisins or 4 if you like. You can use raisins or whatever. So I'm using candy, what I used for the gingerbread shave, and now using it for the eyes. Now I'm going to add the mouth.
Maybe if you try the almond.
Put the skewers in the donut. I use candies for the eye. I use candy ribbons for the scarf. I use it for the hair too. You have to be careful because if the donut's not fresh, it can break easily. So
and also you use
pretzel.
You could use pretzel sticks or breadsticks for the arms.
Yeah. And we use candies for the eye.
You could use raisins for the eyes as well.
Yes.
So now I think you could show them the same steps with the marshmallows.
my snow figure, like and subscribe. Bye.